So to easily find acupuncture points, motor points, and myofascial trigger points with the Dolphin Neurostim, you need to turn it on. You need to adjust your slider switch to the type of skin you are treating. So in this case, it's colder. My patient's skin is a little drier, so I'm going to pick the dry setting. And I'm going to place my thumb on the grounding plate here. I'm going to have skin-to-skin contact. I'm going to gently pull the Dolphin Neurostim across the skin and do it slowly. And when I get on top of the treatment point, the light will fade out and I'll get a high pitch. I can always go back to that same point over and over again. The trick is to go slowly. If you move quickly, you're never going to find the point. But if you move slowly and deliberately with mild to moderate pressure, you'll always find the point. What you don't want to do is push down really hard, because that changes the resistance of the skin and you get false positives on your point finding. So always use mild to moderate pressure when you're finding points with the Dolphin Neurostim.